Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. Okay, now to purify or to concentrate our minds, let's do Brahmanath. शांति शांति शांति. My dear students, in last class we discussed the multiple angle, submultiple angle related problems. Today we are going to discuss more problems related to multiple angle, submultiple angle, also compound angle, that is mixed type problem. So, what are the problems? Let's discuss. So, please look carefully and concentrate your minds. Okay, now let's do the magic. Let's see the magic. Okay, now prove that sin A minus sin 3A plus sin 5A is equal to sin 3A into 2 cos 2A minus 1. This is first question. So solution is what? So solution is the left hand side, proof of 1, that is proof of first question. The left hand side what? Left hand side sin A sin 3 minus A plus sin 5A, this is equal to what? We have to prove sin 3A into 2 cos 2A minus 1. So apply sin C minus sin D. This is the right hand side is what? Sin 3A. Right hand side is equal to sin 3A. So sin 3A takes it. So what happens? That is sin 5A plus sin A minus sin 3A. So this is sin C plus sin D. What is formula for sin C plus sin D? 2 cos. That is formula for sin C plus sin D is equal. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 into sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Apply this formula. Apply this formula here. So what happens here? That is equal to 2 sin 5A plus A, 5A plus A by 2 into cos 5A minus A by 2 minus sin 3A. So this is equal to 2 sin 3A into cos 2A minus sin 3A. So this is equal to, take sin 3A common, here 2 cos 2A and minus 1. This is RHS. This is RHS. Then proof of 2, left hand side cos A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin 45 degree plus A and cos 45 degree plus B. Okay, this is equal to what? You can take right hand side. This is 2 sin A into cos B. So what is formula for 2 sin A into cos B? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, sine A minus B. Take this is LHS. So the take here you have to prove this is right hand side only. Take right hand side. We have to prove that is first one is over. Now second one. Second one is what? Now proof up to this is proof. Take right hand side. What is right hand side? That is 2 sine 45 degree plus A into cos 45 degree plus B. What is formula for 2 sin A into cos B? This is formula for what? 2 sin A into cos B. So formula is what? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B plus sin minus B. So sin 2 sin into cos B. This is A and this is what? B. So sin A plus B means what? A means 45 degree plus A plus B means what? 45 degree plus B. Sin A plus B, and this is plus sin A minus B means 45 degree plus A minus what? 45 degree plus B. This is sin A minus B. So this is equal to what? Sin 90 degree plus A plus B, and this is plus sin 45 multiply minus cancel here, 45 cancel here, that is A minus B. Sin what? A minus B. That is sin A minus B. So this is sin 90 plus theta. So this is cos theta. So cos sin 90 plus theta. This is 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Theta means what? A plus B. So cos A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A minus B. This is equal to left hand side. Okay. Now the proof of question 3. Proof of question 3. Proof of question 3. Proof of 3. So left hand side is what? Cos 120 degree plus A into cos 120 degree minus A plus cos 120 degree plus A into cos A plus cos A into cos 120 degree minus A. This is left hand side. Okay. Now what happens here? That is cos so that is left hand side. Apply cos A plus B into cos A minus B here. Okay. So this is equal to what? Cos square A means 120 degree minus sin square B means sin square A. 120 is equal to A and A equal to B here. So cos A plus B into cos A minus B. The formula is what? Cos square A minus sin square B. Clear? Cos square A minus sin square B. Here the formula is what? That is, the formula is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. The formula is cos square A minus sin square B. This is the formula here used. Okay. Then this is cos square 120 and this is what? This is minus sin square A, and this again take common here cos A. This is cos A and this is cos A. So take common cos A. Cos A common. This is equal to what? Cos 120 degree plus A plus cos 120 degree, 120 degree minus a. Now what is the formula? Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. This is cos 120 means what? Minus 1 by 2 whole square minus sin square a. Again here one term is left here, that is plus also 3 by 4 here, plus 3 by 4 here. Clear? Plus 3 by 4 here. So plus 3 by 4 left hand side, plus 3 by 4. Then this is what is formula for, that is cos a plus b a plus cos a minus b. The formula is what? 2 cos a into cos b. This formula apply. This formula apply here. Cos a plus b, and this is cos a minus b. So formula is what? 2 cos a cos b. So plus here cos a into what? 2 cos a means what? 120 into cos b means a plus 3 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 4 minus sin square a plus cos a into 2 cos 120 means minus 1 by 2 into cos a plus 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus what? Sin square a, and 2 cancel here. What? This is what? Cancel here, minus cos square a. Okay, so 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4. This is equal to 1. Why? 4 by 4, and minus common here, sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a. So 1 minus sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the proof of question number 3. Now other questions. Prove that cos 4a minus cos 4b is equal to what? 8 into cos a minus b, cos b, cos a plus cos b, cos a minus sin b, cos a. This is the question. So it is easy if we take right hand side. So right hand side, that is right hand side is what? 8 into cos a, 8 into what? Cos a minus cos b, cos a minus cos b into what? Cos a plus cos b. Similarly, cos a minus sin b into what? Cos a plus sin b. This is equal to what? Cos, this is take bracket, this is cos a, that is a minus b into a plus b formula. So this is equal to 8 into what? This is cos square a minus cos square b, and put bracket this also. So this is a minus b, a plus b. So it is also a square minus b square means what? Cos square a minus sin square b. Okay. Now what is the formula for cos square a? Cos square a means what? 1 plus cos 2a by 2. This is cos square a formula. And cos square b formula means what? 1 plus cos 2b by 2. Again here 1 plus cos 2a by 2, and here what? 1 minus cos 2b by 2. Okay, so this is LCM 2, 8 into LCM 2. So 1 plus what? 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1 plus cos 2a minus 1 minus cos 2b, divide by what? 4 into 1 plus cos 2a 1 plus cos 2a minus 1 minus minus plus cos 2b minus minus cos plus 2b divide by 2 here. So this is what, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, and this is what, and this is what, 2, not 4 here, this is 2. So 2 into 2 4, that is 2 into 2 4, here 2, that is 2 into here 2. Okay, 2 into cos 2a minus cos 2b, and this is plus 1 minus 1 cancel, this is cos 2a plus cos 2b. This is a minus b into a plus b, again a square minus b square. So 2 into what, cos square 2a minus cos square 2b. Again apply here multiple angle formula, that is 2 into 1 plus what, cos 4a by 2. What is, why it is obtained? Why? We know cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here theta means what? Here theta is equal to 2a. So cos square 2a is equal to 1 plus 2 into theta means what? 2a by 2 here. So by 2, this, by this formula this is obtained. Okay. So again what? 1 plus cos 2 into theta means cos 4b by 2. So taking 2 is LCM. So 1 plus cos 4a minus 1 minus cos 4b. So 2 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. This is equal to what? Cos 4a minus cos 4b. This is the answer and proof RHS. What? This is left hand side. This is left hand side. Now another question. This is the question. Prove that 1 minus tan square 45 degree minus a divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree plus a. So left hand side, that is 1 minus tan square 45 degree minus a divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree minus a. So what is formula here? What is formula here? That is 1 minus, the formula is what? The formula is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? This is equal to cos 2 theta. So theta means what here? Here 45 degree minus a, this is suppose theta. This is suppose theta. According to this formula, what happens here? That is 2 cos 2 into theta means what? 45 degree minus 1. So this is cos 90 degree minus 2a. Cos 90 minus 2a is equal to what? Sin 2a. So this is sin 2a. The proof is sin 2a. This is equal to what? Right hand side. Now another question. Now another question. Prove that sin theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta plus 7 sin 7 theta divided by cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta is equal to what? Tan 4 theta. Okay, is equal to tan 4 theta. Tan 4 theta, that is left hand side. Sin theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta, okay, plus sin 7 theta divided by cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta. So our aim is what? To get 4 theta form, that is 10 form. Tan 4 theta form, that is here 4 theta, that is what? This plus this 8 theta by 2, that is 4 theta. So write first and last. So sin what? 7 theta. It is easy if write the first larger angle first. Sin C plus sin D. Okay, so if you have to or you want to apply sin C plus sin D formula, then write the larger angle first. So take larger angle as C and smaller angle is D. Okay, so and arrange this first and last. So sin 7 theta plus what? Sin theta. Again what? Plus sin 5 theta, 5 theta plus sin theta, sin 3 theta. Similar arrangement for the denominator also. So what? Cos 7 theta plus what? Cos theta. Cos 5 theta plus what? Cos 3 theta. So apply sin C plus sin D formula. Here also sin C plus sin D formula. Here also sin C plus sin D formula. Here also sin C plus sin D formula. Okay. So what is formula for sin C plus sin D formula? The answer is 2 sin A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B. What is cos C plus cos D formula? The answer is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos A minus B by cos C minus D by 2. These are the CT formula. Okay. So 2 sin 7 theta plus theta by 2 into what? Sin 7 theta minus theta by 2. Again this 2 sin what? 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2 and what? Cos 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2. Whole divided by same concept here. The formula is 2 cos C plus D. Formula cos C plus 2 cos 7 theta plus theta by 2, 7 theta plus theta by 2 into what? Cos 7 theta minus theta by 2 plus 2 cos what? 2 cos what? 5 theta plus theta by 2, 5 theta plus theta by 2. And this is what? Cos 5 theta minus theta by 2. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 sin theta 7 theta plus theta 8 theta by that is 4 theta, and this is what? 3 theta sin. This is not sin. Yeah, this is cos. This is cos. Okay. This is right here cos, not visible clearly, so cos. Okay. So this is cos 3 theta. Again here that is sin 2 sin 4 theta, and this is what? Cos theta. Divide by this is 2 cos. This is 2 cos what? That is 4 theta into cos 3 theta plus 2 cos what? 4 theta, that is 3 theta here. That is what? Cos, this is what? 2 cos, this is 2 cos 3 theta. This is what? 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2. And here also this is 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2. And this is what? This is what? This is 2 cos 4 theta, and this is 5 theta minus 3 theta, that is 2 theta by 2. So this is cos theta. Okay. So from numerator take 4 sin theta, 2 sin 4 theta common. In numerator take 2 sin 4 theta common. Here what is? Cos 3 theta and what? Cos theta. Divide by from denominator 2 cos 4 theta common, and what is here? This is cos 3 theta plus cos theta. Cos 3 theta plus cos theta. So this term goes cancel, 2 cancel, and this is what? Tan 4 theta, which is equal to right hand side. Which is equal to right hand side. Now another question. Express 4 cos A cos B cos C as sum of 4 cosines. Sum of 4 cosines means what? Cos some angle plus cos some angle plus cos some angle plus cos some angle. That is sum of 4 cosines. Cos some angle. That is sum of 4 cosines means what? Cos again plus cos again plus cos again plus cos. Okay. So that is what solution. 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. So you can write here, that is what? 2 cos A into cos B into what? 2 cos C. Okay. So this is what? 2 cos A cos B formula. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is cos 2 cos A cos B formula. Whole into what? 2 cos C. Again 2 into what? 2 into cos A plus B into cos C plus 2 into cos A minus B into cos C. Same formula you apply here. 2 cos A into cos B. That is cos A means A plus B, plus B means C, plus cos A plus B plus what? Minus C here. This is completed. Now for this term is completed. Now for this term. Again 2 cos A into cos B formula. So what is formula 2 cos A into cos B? 2 cos A means A minus B, B means what? C, and plus, not here plus 2 cos A cos B formula, that is cos A plus B. This is A and this is B. So cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. A minus B means here this is A and this is B minus C. So this is one cos, this is another cos, this is another cos, this is another cos. So cos 4 times addition here. So this is sum of 4 cosines. Therefore it is sum of 4 cosines. Sum of 4 cosines. Okay. Now another question. This is question. Prove that 8 sin 4 theta by 2 minus 8 sin square theta by 2 plus 1 is equal to cos 2 theta. Take right hand side. This is what? Cos 2 theta. But the left hand side is in terms of what? Sin theta, sin form. So this is equal to what? Cos 2 theta is equal to what? This is equal to what? This is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Again 1 minus 2, what is sin square theta? This is 2 sin square theta. What is sin theta whole square? We can write sin theta whole square. So 1 minus 2 into, this is theta by 2 form. So 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole square. This is 1 minus 2 into what? 4 sin square theta by 2 into cos square theta by 2. So 1 minus 8 into sin square theta by 2, and this is cos square theta by 2 means 1 minus sin square theta by 2. So 1 minus 8 sin square theta by 2 minus minus plus 8 sin 4 theta by 2 and arrange according to left hand sides. As per left hand side, that is what? 8 sin 4 theta by 2 minus 8 sin square theta by 2 and plus 1. This is left hand side. This is left hand side. Okay. So now another question. Prove that cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos 4 7 pi by 8. Okay, this is 7 pi by 8. This is 7. This is cos 4 7 pi by 8. Okay, 7 pi by 8. And pi by 8 plus 7 pi by 8 is equal to what? Pi. 3 pi by 8 plus 5 pi by 8 is equal to pi. So left hand side, what? Cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos 4 7 pi by 8. Now this can be written as cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos 4 3 pi by 8 and this is cos 4th what? Pi minus 3 pi by 8 and this is what? Cos pi minus pi by 8, cos 4th. So this is cos 4th pi by 8 plus cos 4th 3 pi by 8 plus cos 4th 3 pi by 8 and this is what? Cos 4th pi by 8. Cos 4th pi by 8 and this is cos 4th pi by 2 cos 4th pi by 8 and this is cos 2 cos 4th what? 3 pi by 8. So take common here, that is equal to what? Cos 4th pi by 8 plus cos 4th what? 3 pi by 8. This is equal to 2 and we can write here cos square pi by 8 whole square and this is what? Cos square 3 pi by 8 whole square. What is cos square theta? What is cos square theta form? Multiple angle. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 or okay, or 2 cos square theta, that is what? Cos, this is equal to 2 into cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 into pi by 8 whole square by 2 and this is what? 1 plus cos 2 into 3 pi by 8 whole by 2 whole square bracket close and this is equal to what? This is equal to this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 into this formula use. So 2 into 1 plus cos pi by 4 whole square divided by 2 square means 4, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 4 whole square divided by 4. So that is 2 by 4 and this is what? 1 plus cos 45 pi by 4 means 45 degree, 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 cos 135, 3 pi by 4 means what? 135 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. This is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. This is 1 by 2. This is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. 2 into a square means 1, b square means what? 1 by root 2 square means 1 by 2. So 2 goes cancel and this is equal to 3 by 2 which is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay, now another question. one question is, if 2 cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x, then prove that what? 2 cos theta is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now give a solution, that is proof or solution. Given x plus 1 by x is equal to what? 2 cos theta. To prove x cube plus 1 by x is equal to what? 2 cos 3 theta. Okay, we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube means what? X cube plus 1 by x whole cube. So this is what? A cube plus b cube formula. So a cube plus b cube formula what? This is what? X cube plus 1 by x whole cube. What is a cube plus b cube formula? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into what? A plus b. So apply this formula. That is equal to, that implies what? That implies x cube plus 1 by x cube, that is equal to a plus b whole cube. So x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3x into 1 by x, this is x plus 1 by x. So this is equal to what? 2 cos theta whole cube, x cancel here, 3 into cos theta. So 3 into what? 3 into 2 cos theta. So this is what? 8 cos q theta minus 6 theta. So take common 2 here, that is equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. So which formula? This is formula for cos 3 theta. So 2 into cos 3 theta. Okay, this is what? X plus 1 by x cube is equal to 2 into 3 cos theta. Proved. Now another question. This is the question. Prove that 1 by sin 10 degree divided by root 3 cos 10 degree is equal to 4. So left hand side 1 by sin 10 degree minus root 3 by cos 10 degree. So take LCM here, sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. This is cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree. Okay, so divide and multiplied by, and suppose this is divide and multiply by root 2, that is root 2 into what? 1 by root 2 cos 10 degree minus root 3 by 2, and what is divide 2 and half, that is 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 into what? Sin 10 degree divide by what? Sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. So this is equal to what? 2 into cos 60 degree into cos 10 degree minus sin 60 degree into sin 10 degree divide by what? Sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is cos? This is formula for what? Cos A plus B. So 2 into cos A plus B. So cos 60 degree plus 10 degree divide by sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. So this is equal to what? 2 cos 70 degree divided by sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. So again multiply, divide by 2. So 2 into 2 cos 70 degree divided by 2 into sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. So 2 sin So what happens here? Into 2 by 2, that is 4 cos 70 degree. Okay, not 76, that is 70 degree. And this is 2 sin A into cos A, sin 2s, sin 2 into 10 degree. So 4 sin 70 degree divided by, so this is 4 cos 70 degree divided by sin what? 20 degree. Okay, so sin 20 is equal to cos 70. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 4 cos 90 minus 20 by sin 20. So this is equal to 4 sin 20 degree by sin 20 degree. So sin 20 goes cancel, and this is equal to 4, which is equal to right hand side, which is equal to right hand side. Clear? Now another question. Prove that sec x is equal to 2 by root over 2 plus 2 root of, this is the formula. Okay, this is the problem. Now left hand side, that is cos as a sec x, or sec x can be written as what? 1 by cos x. Okay, so cos x, that is 2 required here. In numerator 2 is there, 2. So into 2 by 2 we get here 2 by 2 cos x. Also we can write that is square 2 by square root of what? 4 cos square x. 4 cos square x. Again we can write 2 divided by square root of 2 into 2 cos square x. What is the formula for 2 cos square x? We know 2 cos square x is equal to what? 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Apply this formula here. So what happens here? That is 2 divided by square root of 2 into, this is 1 plus what? Cos 2x. Again 2 by multiply this, root over what? 2 plus 2 cos 2x. Again we can write 2 by, write 2 here, and this can be also written as square root of what? 4 cos square 2x. Again we can write 2 by square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 2 cos square 2x. Apply same concept, that is 2 cos square theta means what? 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this is equal to 2 by square root of 2 plus 2 root over 2 into 1 plus what? Cos 2 theta, 2 into 2x, that is 4x. And multiply this, this is equal to what? 2 by square root of 2 plus square root 2 plus 2 cos 4x. This is the required proof. 2 by 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos x. This is the proof, required proof. Now find the value of sin pi by 32. Find the value of sin pi by 32. Okay, so solution is, this is question. So solution is what? Solution sin pi by 32, this can be written as what? 1 by 2 into 2 sin pi by 32. Clear? Again this can be written as square root of 4 sin square pi by 32. Okay, square root of 4 means 2, sin square means what? Sin. So again this can be written as what? 1 by 2. This can be written as what? 1 by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by 2, and this can be written as 2 into 2 sine square pi by 32. What is the formula for 2 sine square theta? Is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Apply this formula for this portion. So 1 by 2 square root of 2 into 1 minus cos 2 into pi by 32. So this is equal to what? 1 by 2 square root of 2 1 minus cos pi by 16. Okay, again what happens here? That is equal to 1 by 2 square root of 1 by 2 square root of, that is 2 minus 2 cos square pi by what? Cos pi by 16. This is also written as 2 into square root of 2 minus what? Square root of 4 cos square pi by 16. Same principle applied here. That is equal to 1 by 2 root over 2 minus square root of, that is, this is also written as what? 2 into 2 cos square pi by 16. Again, what is formula for 2 cos square theta? 2 cos square theta is equal to what? 1 plus cos 2 theta. Apply this formula. Apply this formula. Which formula? That is 2 cos square theta. Apply this formula. 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Apply this formula. Okay, for this. Now 1 by 2. 1 by 2 root over 2 minus root over 2 into 1 plus cos 2 into pi by 16. So that is equal to what? 1 by 2 square root of 2 minus root over what? 2 plus 2 into cos what? Pi by 8. Cos pi by 8. Again you can write this as, this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 into square root of 2 minus, this is nothing here, 2 minus root over what? 2. Again this term write root over of 4 cos square pi by 8. So this is equal to 1 by 2 square root of 2 minus square root of what? 2 plus, this is equal to what? 2 cos square 2 into 2 cos square pi by 8. Again use this formula. 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this is equal to 1 by 2 root over what? 2 minus 2 plus root over 2 into 1 plus cos 2 into pi by 8. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into root over 2 minus root over 2 plus root, that is 2 plus 2 into, this is 2 and 4 cos pi by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 2 root over 2 minus here 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 into 1 by root 2. So this is equal to what? 1 by 2 into 2 minus what? 2 plus root over what? 2 plus cancel this root 2. So therefore cos that is sin pi by what? Sin pi by 32 is equal to 1 by 2 square root of 1 by 2 square root of 2 minus what? 2 plus square root of, that is 2 plus what? Root 2. This is the value of cos pi by 32. Okay. Now one homework for you. Find the value of, this is homework, find the value of, this is homework. Now this is homework session. Homework. Find the value of number 1 cos pi by 32, number 2 sin 3 degree, number 3 sin pi by 16, number 4 cos pi by 16. Okay, number 5 cos 3 degree. This is the homework for you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.